Thank you so much for tuning into my channel, and for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano palitan yung Wi-Fi password nyo sa PLDT. So, recently kasi bumabagal yung internet connection namin. So, I'm not sure kung sino yung mga gumagamit. So, it's better to change it. Baka kung sino-sino na yung nakakonect. So, the first thing that you will do is to go to 192.168.1.1. So, yun yung default ng PLDT. So, kapag first time mong magpapalit ng or magla-login sa website na to, the default username and password is admin. Tapos yung password niya is 1234. But since this is not my first time to log in, napalitan ko na. So, admin pa rin yung username niya, pero pinalitan ko yung password niya. So, magla-login tayo. So, pagdating mo dito sa niya, punta ka lang sa WLAN. So, pagdating sa WLAN, punta ka dun sa security. And then, kung makikita mo dito yung pre-shared key, makikita mo yung default password mo dito. So, you can change it here. And then, click apply changes. And then, mapapalitan na yung password nyo. So, I hope you have learned something from this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more short video tutorials like this. Thank you so much and have a great day. Goodbye.